Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Kotanji Korvai saree with perfect contrast blouse collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, Kotanji Korvai sarees are one of the traditional Indian textile. This kind of Kotanji saree collection comes with timeless design and give you a softness touch. Everyone must have this kind of Kotanji Korvai sarees collection in their wardrobe. This kind of Kotanji Korvai saree collection are best choice for all kind of formal event like office wear, formal wear, etc. This kind of Kotanji Korvai sarees comes with transparent, lightweight, breathable fabric. At the same time, if you wear this kind of saree, it gives a rich and luxury look. Friends, these kind of Kotanji Korvai sarees are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Thank you friends and keep watching.